Hello, we are STEMLOOK. We provide a fun and engaging learning in robotics, coding and AI, Java, Python and other technical skills which can be used in their future careers. We are located in Chatswood because local community was the first who showed interest in STEM education around Sydney. Students are saying the courses are really helpful in their math and technology classes at school. It basically helps them to develop a logical thinking and to progress better in any STEM subjects. STEMLOOK is taking part in a lot of local festivals and programs, special events in museums and libraries and local community. Our students and parents find it very helpful to use our certificates and their achievements for selective school applications and uni admissions.